Hey, sixth graders, it's Mrs. Moore. I just want to give you your instructions for your test today. Remember that first you have the story. It has 4 pages, so make sure that you are also looking at the back of each page. When you get to the first page of the test, here's what it looks like. So follow along with me. Your first question is worth 1 point. Questions 2 and 3 are the learning target about making inferences about character. Remember, you may use any character that you want. Character's name, what is their trait, how do you know, and then the second one, whichever character you want, character's name, what is their trait, how do you know. Question number 4 says, the sections are blocked off with a line. On each line, indicate if that portion of the story is scene or narration. So let me just go back one for you. And you can see, here's a block, here's a block, here's a block. On the line, you'll just put N or S for scene or narration. When you're finished with that page, you're going to go on to the back, which goes along with the plot map. This is telling you which parts of the plot map you have to have done. When you finish each of those pieces, you can just check them off. You don't have to check them off if you don't want to, but it can help you remember to fill everything out. So remember, this is what the plot map looks like. You are filling out all of those items from the checklist. When you finish with that, the last thing you have to do is your final reflection question on the back. How have you changed as a reader over the course of the independent reading unit? Think about all of our learning targets: choosing just right books, building stamina, listening to our interacting voice, making inferences, understanding characters, scene, narration, plot, theme, all of those learning targets. How may they have changed the way you read or think about your reading? Now, this one obviously doesn't have right or wrong answers, but you can see I'm looking for quite a bit of thinking. Your points on the final reflection question will be based on the completeness and thoughtfulness of your answer. When you are finished, however your homeroom teacher wants to collect your test from you, she will collect your test. She will give you back your reading log. Any extra time you have today, I want you to be reading. Make sure today you note the time you start and the time you stop so you can figure out your minutes. And your homeroom teacher will also be collecting your reading log back from you at the end of class today. Also, if you had notes that you took during our review, you may use them on the test. I would like them turned in with the test. If you use notes, turn them in with the test. Good luck, have fun, and have a great Christmas break.